Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Breakfast with BU. This morning, we're going to take a few minutes and share some important information with you that is at the top of everyone's list. Where and how am I going to find those new safety and sanitation products I'm going to need to operate under this new temporary normal? The decision to open is really dependent on two things: your government regulations and your personal situation as a business owner. Regardless of how and when you make that choice, you're going to need some vastly different supplies than you did just a few months ago. So let's take a look to see where you can find the supplies you're going to be looking for. Hopefully you've got a chance to check out the new BPA Reopening Resource Center. This is the homepage that I'm showing you here. And to the far right, there's the Resource tab. If you click on that tab, at the very top, you'll see the product category. And that's where to find those sanitation, hygiene, and cleaning products you're going to need. Currently, we have 7 vendors listed on that site. And if you click on each of those links, it will have a PDF that will automatically download and give you more information. Some have pricing and various things. Let's take a quick look at what we have currently available. First up is the Home Depot. They have some hospital-grade disinfectant, hand and soap sanitizer. There's a contact information to call Pete and a cell phone number. You'll notice with this vendor, there's not pricing available to the public, but you as a BPA member are going to get discount pricing. One of our Smart Buy partners, RRDonnelley, they have labels, hygiene labels. There's pricing there available, contact information. You can call them directly and order any of those things that you need. One of the hottest items is masks. You might need some of the KN95 masks or some of the surgical masks. There's pricing on there for a new vendor that we have, Solvet, contact information, name and phone number. They have other items as well, gloves, things of that nature. Probably one of the hottest topics today is how do we disinfect and clean the house balls? Our friends at Jayhawk have developed the ultrasonic ball cleaner. You can see that the BPA members get a nice discount on that product, and that may be something that you'd be interested in as well. And then Weizhou Products has the separation shields that you see quite frequently. There are various sizes. You'll see the pricing, contact information. Again, might be a resource for you. And BPA member centers get 10% off of their order. And then our friends at Signet through Cintas, you might want a cleaning chemical service for some of the larger operations. There is also pricing on this PDF, information on how to contact Cintas for that. And then lastly, one that was just added, US Lubricants. This has the hand sanitizer by the gallon, as well as the wall dispensers, contact information and ordering. And this actually was just added last night there. So, a couple of thoughts I would tell you: plan early. There are literally thousands of other businesses that are looking for the same resources you are. I know I'm asking you to spend money when virtually none is coming in, but plan early. Also, visit the Resource Center often. We absolutely are adding stuff all the time. If you happen to have any questions about getting the products you need to operate your facility, you can reach us at education@bpa.com anytime. Stay positive. Your center can and will be a facility that is safe, sanitized, and a great place for friends and family to reconnect. So make sure you're following us on the Bowling University Facebook page for more update, and make it a great day.